Of course. And camera's unavailable. Alright, so you got your vehicle on, and we go ahead and go in reverse here. Camera is unavailable. Please contact your dealership. Mine's connected. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Let me go in neutral here. Go back in reverse. Ah, there it goes. So mine is intermittent a little bit, but for some reason it doesn't work. And then even after about 5 or 10 seconds, yep, it starts glitching or even goes out completely. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in reverse. We'll go ahead and get outside here. And I troubleshooted this camera setup for a while. My Ford logo was I kind of already have this all apart, but Ford logo, people say it's a one-time use, which I think it is, but one side was already broken on mine. So I was able to come from the bottom and pop this off and not break the other side. And then you've got two 7mm, then you have two 7mm bolts that come out right here. So 1, 2, and then it comes out like so. And then you got yourself the camera. Go ahead and pinch it out right here. Comes out. And I went ahead and cleaned all the contacts in here. I even checked the fuse box on the inside, on the passenger side, and that was good. It was a little corroded, so I ended up cleaning it. I even cleaned this with the electrical cleaner as well, and plugged it back in. It still didn't work. So I used the QD electronic cleaner, sprayed it, and it did kind of help a little bit, but it still was intermittent a lot. So I don't think it really helped. And went to my Ford dealer to try to get a new camera here. One, they're about $300 for this tiny little camera, and two, you can't get them for some reason. My Ford dealer said they're all back ordered. I've got myself a T25 here, and then it's just a nice like short screw. Pull it out, and you got this little plastic bit here. And then the Ford one comes out. It's kind of cool, as this is a 2013 F-150 Raptor, and this part was manufactured in January of 21 in 2013. January 12th, 2013. So pretty cool. Here's my new one. I did a lot of reviews online, trying to read a lot on Amazon. Honestly, didn't look that great, and I found a couple forums in the F-150 Raptor forum that camera source was really good. This one is about 40 or 50 bucks more expensive than like the cheap knockoff ones that are about 60 bucks. I think this one came out to about 120 bucks. Not sponsored by them or anything. Wish I was, because then I didn't have to spend the 120 bucks. But we'll go ahead and see how this one works. So set it same way in here as the old one. Just get it placed in there. Kind of snaps in. Then you want to use the same flap here. Bring it in. Get the screw back on. Tighten it with the T25. We can go ahead and connect it here. Make sure you hear the click. Get a test pull. Make sure it's not coming off there. Before I get it all screwed in and installed and wasting my time, let's go ahead and double check that it's actually working. Go ahead and put it in reverse, and immediately flashes on. Looks really clear, honestly better than the old one. Looks really nice. Go ahead and put it back in park, reverse, Immediately. Okay, cool. That's looking really good. We'll come back out here, go ahead and get this area nice and cleaned up, and we'll go ahead and install it again. Alright, got it cleaned up with some nice little, just spray quick wax in a rag just to get it, you know, cleaned up pretty good. Go ahead and just put it all back together. Super simple here. Just go and put the 2 screws in. Use your 7mm socket. And then slap the Ford logo back on. I do want to get the black one with white letterings. I think it would look really good back here, but for now we're just going to go ahead and slap this guy back in here. And now we got ourselves a new camera. Let's go ahead and test it out one more time. Oh yeah, you can even see my Meguiar's quick wax bottle there. Put it back in neutral, reverse. It's super quick. It looks really clear too. I mean, everything looks really nice. Can't complain. Actually moving in reverse a little bit, so really good stuff here. Thanks for watching. This was a quick, easy video on just how to fix that camera. Unfortunately, it was replacing the camera. I tried looking at the camera and cleaning the connectors. That didn't work. And then also the fuse on the passenger side, it was pretty corroded, so I cleaned it. But all of the reversing sensors and all that still worked, which is part of that circuit. So the fuse still worked. So I knew it wasn't that, so replaced the camera. And as you can see, it's fixed and it's working great. So please subscribe, like, share the video, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.